呢個係新街 ，This is New Street。咁啊喺正東華醫院隔離嘅啫。It is at the side of the Sheung Wan Hospital at Sheung Wan。This is quite interesting。好啦，呢個新街就應該好短嘅啫。聖馬太堂 St. Matthew's Church。依間賣漢堡包嘅執咗啦。This one selling burger is closed。呢個啲橫街都幾得意喎。入去望下先，側邊仲有條橫街喎。So I just want to take a look at this little alley. That's quite interesting. That one should be the Hollywood Road. Yes, it is.呢個位都幾有趣啊，有啲壁畫咁樣。That is quite interesting. And it has got some mural on the walls as well.呢度幾靚喎。I think that is a restaurant. It is quite beautiful. And this little alley it is the same alley. Oh, interesting. This is the entrance of this residential building.樂善堂唔知梁乜書院唔識讀。There are actually some entrance there. Interesting. OK. 呢度係皇后大道西嚟嘅。This is the Queen's Road West.前面嘅街口就荷里活道啦 and that is the Hollywood Road on the right. And there is another interesting area that I want to visit, but I don't have the time today. Anyway, so I will keep going. 返到嚟呢個新街， and this is the entrance of a college. But I think that is the back door. 呢個係廣泰號，係賣海味嘅。That was a shop selling dried seafood. 呢度呢有間學校，聖馬太學校。And the garbage are blocking the road.好啦，行返出嚟啦。So that is the end of the new street. So thanks for watching, and I will carry on with this 太平山 street. 咁啱啱行完啦，咁我會繼續行嘅，行呢條太平山道、太平山街。我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。